Unboxing Hot Toys Cosbi Avengers Endgame Bobble-head Collection Volume 1. It includes special collection card. Here's the Avengers characters that we may get from these blind boxes. There is one mystery figurine in this collection. There are 8 blind boxes of random figurines in it. We hope to get the mystery figurine. Let's check it out. First figurine is Rescue. She is wearing the rescue suit designed by Tony Stark. There is protective foam to protect the rescue suit wings. Unboxing our second blind box. It's Hawkeye. Hot Toys takes care of the figurine. Hawkeye's arrow and bowl are well protected. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. The figurine base can be aligned together. Our third blind box. Will it be the mystery figurine? It's Captain America. It's so cool. He is holding his broken shield and Thor's hammer. The figurine is the Captain America in the Endgame movie scene. Unboxing 4 out of 8 blind boxes. It's Iron Man in his Mark 85 suit. Let's check out the figurine. Lightning refocuser on his back. The figurine Bobble-head is not bouncy. Iron Man and Rescue is married and had a daughter in the movie. Unboxing our 5th blind box. Is it a mystery figurine? It's Thanos. He was a genocidal warlord from Titan. Hot Toys used the cardboard to protect the double-edged sword. The figurine also has Infinity Gauntlet, which was designed to channel the power of all 6 Infinity Stones in the movie. Left with 3 more chances to get the mystery figurine. It's not the mystery figurine. It's Black Widow. Hot Toys uses the cardboard to protect her signature dual buttons. Loving the details on her hairstyle in this figurine. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. Unboxing our last 2 blind boxes. Please let it be the mystery figurine. No. It's Captain Marvel. She is one of the strongest Avengers. Check out the iconic red and blue costume with gold star emblem on chest and the details in the figurine. Finally, this is the last blind box. Yes, it's the mystery figurine. The mystery figurine is the unmask of Iron Man. We are so happy to get this mystery chase figurine. Iron Man is holding the holographic shield that he used to fight against Thanos. Now, we have the mystery figurine but we are missing Thor. Guess what? Here's Thor. Lastly, the figurine base can be detached. You can lay out the design you like and fix the figurine into the base accordingly. Do note that the base cannot be locked. It can only be aligned to your preference. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. Stay tuned for Hot Toys Cosbi Avengers Volume 2. Till then, happy toy collecting.